Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is one of the most famous nuts in the world. Walnuts. Crunchy, rich, powerful. Many people notice something interesting. Walnuts look similar to the human brain. This is why many people connect walnuts with memory plus mental performance. But walnuts offer much more than that. Let's begin with healthy fats. Walnuts contain beneficial fats, including omega-3. Your body needs healthy fats for many important functions. One important area is brain health. Your brain uses fats as part of normal function. Walnuts support mental performance. This may help focus plus memory. Another important benefit is your heart. Walnuts support circulation. Your cardiovascular system functions more efficiently. Then comes antioxidants. Walnuts contain powerful natural compounds. These help protect your cells from internal stress. This supports healthy aging. Another important area is energy. Walnuts provide natural fuel. Many people use them as healthy snack during busy days. Now let's talk about digestion. Walnuts contain fiber. Fiber supports gut health. Your digestive system works more smoothly. Another important point is satiety. Walnuts may help you feel full longer. This supports balanced eating habits. Then comes your skin. Healthy fats support hydration from inside your body. Your skin may look healthier over time. Another important benefit is recovery. After physical activity, your body needs nutrients plus energy. Walnuts may support this natural process. But here is the truth. Walnuts are healthy, yet they are also calorie-dense. Moderation still matters. Small portions are usually enough. Now here is the key idea. Simple natural foods can support your body in powerful ways. You do not always need complicated products. Nature already provides many useful options. Because real health is built from consistent daily habits. Small smart choices. Repeated over time. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.